Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by assessing the scratch under bright light so you know whether it is surface or deeper. This determines your method. Next, clean the area with a non-abrasive cleaner to remove oils and grit, because debris will cause more scratches. Once done, dab a small test patch with 0000 steel wool or polishing compound on an inconspicuous spot to check finish compatibility. Make sure you like the sheen before you continue to the main scratch. You now polish to blend the scratch by following the metal grain. Moving against it creates obvious cross marks. Use 0000 steel wool with a little rubbing compound and work in short, consistent strokes. Apply light pressure and increase only if the scratch resists. Make sure to wipe the area frequently so you can compare progress to the surrounding finish. If the mark starts to disappear, slow down and keep strokes even to avoid new irregularities. You finish by applying a stainless steel polish or a light coat of mineral oil to protect the area and even out the sheen. Buff with a clean microfiber cloth until uniform. Once done, inspect under different lighting and make small touch-ups if needed. If the scratch is too deep to remove, consider a touch-up kit or professional refinishing. If the finish darkens or looks wrong at any step, stop, remove residue, dry thoroughly, and retest on your hidden patch before.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.